Your alter ego after mistakes. Every athlete makes mistakes. It means you're human. You're not alone when you make mistakes because everyone does it. Miss shots, drop balls, bad passes. Mistakes are part of sports. And the difference between athletes is how they respond to their mistakes. Your alter ego does not panic. Your alter ego steps into the three R's: recognize, release, reset. So you recognize the mistake, name whatever feeling you're feeling, recognize that feeling. You release your frustration, the feeling you have from the mistake you made, and you reset your focus on the next play, the next ball, the next pass. This keeps you in game zone. Head held high, shoulders back. Confidence is high when you use an alter ego. I believe in you. Now it's time for you to believe in yourself. Get after it.